Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you Wix one-page website tutorial. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you create a one-page website in Wix? Well, it's actually pretty easy. So what we need to do first is go to wix.com, log into your account, and you should be able to see your account section here. Now in this case, we want to create a new website. Just go and click on create new site at the top right. And it should open up a new tab here, which in this case is going to give you the assistant for building your website. So in this case, we want to set this up without any use of AI. And from here, what we need to do is we need to answer the question, what type of website do you want to create? Now in this case, depending on how you answer on this question here, the options that will be available to you will be different. So in this case, since we want to create a one-pager here, so let's go ahead and just enter one-pager. And if you see the option one-pager here, go ahead and click on it, click on continue, and that should prepare your dashboard. Now, once your dashboard is actually prepared, you should be able to see the setup section, which in this case, I would suggest you to fill out all the desired details. So in this case, maybe I want to say the name of this website is going to be a sample one pager. Now, you could go ahead and just enter any name that you want here, but for now, just an example, I'm going to enter this one, click on continue, and site goals. So maybe I want to say I want to promote my business, click on continue. And Wix apps, so you could choose whatever app that you want to include here. So I include bookings, events, blogs, and a lot more. But for now, I'm just going to give this ordinary. Click on continue, proceed to the next page, and from here we could go and start entering or basically building our website. So let's go ahead and click on the start with the template here and choose our template for our website. Now there's going to be a lot of templates that will be available to us. As you can see, there's a lot of templates here. Now in this case, maybe I want to use this template or maybe this template here. As you can see, it only has one link, so it's most likely a one pager here. As you can see, the result is for one pager. Let's go ahead and click on it and click on edit. And once we've done that, it should start applying that specific template into our website. Now, from here on, what we need to do next is we need to start editing our website. So if you want to add any images, any other assets that you want to include, any text, you can go ahead and just doing that or start adding them into your website. Now, if you want to add something, usually at the top left, you have the add element section. So if you see this pop up here, just close this one. So at the top left, you have the add element. So if you click on it, you should be able to add different text, images, buttons, strips, decorative, box, gallery, and a lot more. But if you want to add a section, which is a pre-made section that you could use, so they already have some images and buttons on it, so you don't have to manually add or insert those into your website itself. But if you want to add a blank section, you could go and click on blank section here as well. And if you want to switch over to your navigation, but since it's just a one pager, you won't have any options, or as you can see, it only has the home option here. If you want to change the overall look of your website, you can go to the site design section. In this case, you could change your theme, like changing the color for it. And yeah, also have the apps, additional functionalities into your website if you want that. The My Business section is a way for you to manage already existing apps and your business. And also have these options for media and as well as EMS. Now, once you're done editing your website, you go ahead and click on publish at the top right of your screen. And from here, you could either use a custom domain or the free Wix domain here. So you want to say, I want to use this website or this domain here. Click on save and continue to publish my website. And once it's actually published, it's going to say your site is saved. So in this case, you can go ahead and click on publish now. And once you've published it, people can now see your website. So if you click on view site here, you should be able to see your website. In this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.